So here we are, Destination Paradise Adventure, coming into our suite at the Bellagio in Las Vegas, Suite 11080. This is the King Suite, King Salone Suite they call it. Has two separate curtains. One are complete blackout curtains, and then the shears for the just to kind of be able to see through and let the light in. Beautiful views of the fountains going in the background, as you can see out there. And then we pan around to the nice big king bed, which is amazingly comfortable. Coming all the way around to the big TV with the remote control. And then just below that is our little mini fridge. Caution to the mini fridge. The vast majority of this stuff is not free. It is all on sensors, and the prices are ridiculous. Like literally $20 US for one of those bottles of water. So be very careful if you're considering purchasing that. From there we come into the big bathroom with his and hers vanities. Very lovely. And then over here, a nice big full-size bathroom with a power curtain as well too. Little disappointed that there's no jet tub, but still a nice stunning view nonetheless.
Nice and deep as well.
It is very deep. The water's quite hot as well. And then the nice big shower. And then we'll pan all the way around as we come to the other side where we have the nice big closet with the safe. Lots of room in that safe. It's definitely very spacious. Steamer there, as well as the iron and ironing board. A couple complimentary robes for your use. The safe itself does also have a light in it when you open it, so you can see everything while you're in there. And then we come into the bathroom area with probably one of the most unique thrones I've ever seen. Where it magically opens on its own.
And it's heated.
Heated, yeah. Spritzes a nice little bit of fragranted water in it as soon as it opens up, and then it has all kinds of controls over here where you can do multiple types of flushes, bidet. It's even got a blow dryer, you know, and all of the actual seat comes up automatically too. And everything in this toilet is virtually 100% automatic. So for the gentlemen who have a hard time putting their seats down when they're finished, fear not, because that one will do it all automatically, all on its own. And then we have some beautiful views outside the tub of the flamingo, the high roller in the background, a little bit of Caesar's Palace. Apologies for the glare. Everything's so bright there that might help just a little bit to be able to see. It's kind of dark out there, but Vegas actually shines its best when it's in the dark. So hence why we've dropped all the lights off on the way out, so you can kind of get a good view, hopefully with no glare. Oh, unfortunately, we didn't quite time the fountains quite perfectly, but if you stay tuned, we'll make sure that I'll get a shot of the fountains while they're putting on their nice little show. So you can see we have an absolutely stunning view here, almost right centralized, right on the strip, right in the heart where everything goes down. It's like people talking lately about Vegas being dead. It's not dead.
It's very much alive. Very
much alive.
Yeah.
There's enormous amount of people here, especially on weekends. Depends more on what part of Vegas you go to. We were down in Fontainebleau earlier today, and it was a little empty, but you're getting right more on the edge of the strip there. So, as always, be sure to like and subscribe. Share these videos with people who you think might be interested in checking out Vegas, or even just interested in a little bit of paradise with a little bit of adventure with it.